In this video, I will show you how you can add your iPad 11 A16 to the Find My iPhone app. Now to do that, first of all, on your iPad, just ensure you're signed into with the same Apple ID which you're using on your iPhone. After that, on your iPad, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Find My. Now on this page, just tap on Find My iPad. Then enable this toggle, and after that, just select OK. Now just make sure that the toggle for Find My Network is also enabled and the option for Send Last Location is turned on. Now just go back one step and enable the toggle for Share My Location. Now on your iPhone, if you go to your home screen and if you open the Find My app, now over here just go to the Devices section. Now it might ask you for some permissions, just allow all the permissions which will appear on the screen. But after that, if you go to the Devices section, you will find the name of your iPad in the Find My app. Also, in the same way, if you go to your home screen and if you open the Find My app on your iPad, just select Enable Notifications, select Allow. Now, if you go to the Devices section, you will find the name of your iPhone over here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.